Okay, people, it's Miss JENITA back again with another small went out in the street to the store grocery haul. I went to Food for Less, Dollar Tree, Trader Joe's, and Whole Foods. Boy, did I need it to get that exercise, but so kneecap. But anyway, let me share with y'all what I got. I'm about to eat in a few minutes. I got this from Trader Joe's. Some 2 bags of this chicken chow mein, low fat. The chicken included, I hope. 20-ounce bag. I'm about to cook this, 2 bags of this, and I'm about to cook that with this beef and broccoli. Who is that? Mildly sweet and spicy beef and broccoli. Trader Joe's brand, I guess. It's a 24-ounce, and I'm about to cook this with the chicken chow mein. Is this Trader Means? I don't know. That means that's Trader Joe's stuff. But anyway, this looks good. And hopefully I'm going to put on a pot of rice. To go with this. And also, I got, this came from Trader Joe's, some smoked paprika. This is, don't ask me, I think it was $1.99. 2.6 ounce. I got to hurry up. And this is some hot and sweet jalapenos. Trader Joe's. This came from, some detox green tea. Super green tea. This was like $17 or something. And this for my daughter. Some detox green matcha tea. This stuff expensive. This came from Whole Foods. Don't ask me how it is, because I gotta ask her. And I got 2 of these organic tomato and roasted red pepper soup. They are 32 fluid ounces. Don't ask me, I don't know what it tastes like. I got 2 packs of Hoppy bacon. This is a 12-ounce. Wasn't they 16 ounces, y'all? But anyway, these was on sale, $3.99 at Food for Less. I got 2 of these on a digital coupon. And I also picked up from Food for Less some gloves, 2 bags of gloves. I got my husband. He was telling me how expensive I think, what was them regulars? What is it, 8 ounce, 13 ounce? No, it might be the 8-ounce bags of chips. They went up to $5 and something. The potato chips is off. They rocket with the prices. These Food for Less had them laying down there 2 for $1, so I picked up 2 bags from him. Also, I got this from Food for Less, this palm brush for my dishes. Like to scrub my potatoes clean when I get ready to bake potatoes. I sure do. Kroger brand. This was like $2 and something. So here's the other pair of the gloves. Yep. And I got this from Trader Joe's, some celery. I think it was $1.99. Celery hearts. They nice and fresh too. I love it. Made me crave and want some beef pot pie. And I got 2 of these boxes of Trader Joe hash brown. They all nice and brown and golden. These was 2 for $5, I think it was. Yeah. And also, I got this from Food for Less, unsalted butter. They had these on digital coupon, $2.99. I was looking for the dang tub, because I wanted to spread butter, like on toast and stuff. But I got 40. On the digital coupon, they let you get up to 5. And if you only get 1, then you blew your coupon unless you got another, account. Then you can get some more. But I just had that 1 account so far. But I just got 4 of these Lano Lakes. And I think they went on sale because the date on these, they Best Buy 8/23/23. They going right straight in the freezer. Straight in the freezer. So I also, like I told y'all, I went to what did I say? The Dollar Tree. So I went to I got a basil plant. That's for my gardening channel. And I got some other plants. I got that from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's Well, that's a haul for Trader Joe's. And I also went to the Dollar Tree. I picked up some more flower seeds. That gonna be in another whole different video. I picked up my husband popcorn. I got some couple of Easter items, decor items. I got some flour and veggie seeds, I believe. And what else did I get? I got just some decor stuff. That haul is basically for my crafting channel and for my gardening channel. Y'all want to see that haul, go to my gardening channel. Y'all want to see what I got from the Dollar Tree for my gardening channel, you gotta go to my gardening channel coming up later. And also, if you want to see what my crafting stuff is, you gotta go to my crafting channel coming up later. So this haul, I'm gonna throw this up, but the other might not be up as soon. You'll be looking for it, but it ain't gonna be there because I ain't put it up yet. Also, I got this Liar superfood vanilla superfood creamer. Looks so good. To go with the where that tea at? Where the tea went? Anyway, oh, here it is. to put in this dang tea, the detox tea. Y'all ever tried detox tea? Well, I got cut back again. I know when I wasn't well with that virus, I was eating a lot of other stuff I had up in it. But anyway, I might put on a few pounds. I got to slack back down because I don't want the quarterback, even though it is a candy bar away. But yeah, Miss Janita got to go now. I appreciate y'all checking out my grocery haul, spending time with me, supporting this channel continuously. And I want to let you know, for all of you guys that did help me, won't he do it with responding to my video when I was asking y'all to help me out, go tell YouTube that my comments kept disappearing from y'all channels. Thank you, Patricia, because you and all the rest of you, Patricia was taking a record of my comments disappearing on her channel, and she is going to let YouTube know with proof that that is going on, and they need to fix Miss Janita's channels. Yes, I have channels that all of them been, you know, that's the problem. I contacted Google and I had a chat with them, y'all, and they was like, what is a glitch? And I was like, my mouth fell open. They don't know what a glitch. Who the heck am I speaking with? I have took pictures of the conversation. Plus, it was emailed to my email that I talked to them about it, and they ain't had a clue what a glitch was. And then they told me, oh, we can't help you because the comments you talking about is on other people's channel, and that's called privacy. And I'm like, how the heck my subscribers supposed to know? Oh, God, this video. I'm like, contacted YouTube, and I let them know. How the heck is my subscribers supposed to know that I'm leaving compliments on their channel if my channel is not working properly? And the person, whoever I was chatting with, was so confused about not being able to help me because they said a privacy issue. We can't go to their channel and see what's going on. I'm like, well, who am I supposed to contact? Because whoever I was talking to, they ain't had a clue what to do about my issue with YouTube, my comments being erased as soon as I leave y'all channel. My comment come down, so y'all don't know I was there. The thumbs up even came off because I've been to Patricia channel and all confused, and I said, I know dang well I've been to Patricia channel and left a comment on here. Even with Susie, I seen on her channel my comments left. So I don't know why YouTube is got this serious, terrible glitch happening on all my channels. All of them. How can it get on all of them? Y'all ain't experiencing this, so this ain't like this is some common thing. This is being directed toward me, that this is going on my channel. So I just want to say that I appreciate all y'all that responded and sent word to YouTube about this issue to help me get my channel fixed and sorted out. I appreciate it and thank y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. My grocery haul from Whole Foods, Food for Less, Trader Joe's, and the Dollar Tree ain't up here, but it'll be in another video. All right, y'all, I got to go because I'm hungry. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe, stay sane, And keep your head up. Bye.